Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of drowning in Jira notification emails, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll walk you through how to manage Jira notifications effectively so you only get alerts that actually matter. By the end, you'll have a cleaner inbox and a sharper workflow. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the problem. Jira notifications can quickly become overwhelming. Every comment, status change, or mention hits your inbox. But the good news is, Jira lets you fully customize how and when you get notified. First, go to Your Work section inside Jira. Then, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. That's your settings shortcut. Next, head into Personal Jira Settings. This is where the real magic happens. It's your control panel for tailoring Jira exactly to your workflow. Inside these settings, open the Projects and Issues tab. Think of this as the nerve center for all your notification preferences, from issue updates to task assignments. Now, scroll down to the section labeled Send me some emails for issue activity. This is the key area where you decide what deserves your attention and what doesn't. You'll see options like You're the assignee. Keep this checked if you want updates on tasks assigned to you. You're the reporter. This sends alerts for issues you created. You can safely uncheck it if you don't need to monitor every detail. And here's the cool part. You can even turn off all the notifications entirely. This is great if you prefer using Jira's dashboard or mobile app to track progress. But a quick tip, if you disable all emails, make sure you have another system, like dashboards or Slack integrations, so you don't miss something critical. And that's it. You've just learned how to fully manage Jira notifications. Take a few minutes to fine-tune your settings, and your workflow will feel a lot smoother. If you found this guide helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more smart Jira tips, and let me know in the comments. What's your biggest frustration with Jira notifications? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.